Today we are going to start a new course and the name is What is Canva? So this is one of the most interesting course. Before going to start Canva, I will just explain to you or I will let you know a little bit history of Canva. That Canva was founded in Sydney, Australia by Melanie Perkins, Cliff Obrecht and Cameron Adams on January 1st, 2012. Canva is a graphic design platform used to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, documents, and other visual content. See, with the help of Canva, simply you can say that it is the graphical tool. We can make YouTube thumbnail, posters, document, whatever you want. With the help of Canva, it will be very, very easy for everyone. The app already includes templates. The important thing is that app already has a built-in template. You have to choose the template and with the help of just a little bit modifications we can create a nice poster, thumbnail, presentation, etc. The platform is free to use. This is one of the most important feature as well, that it is free. But if you want to work on Canva Pro, Canva for Enterprise for additional functionality, then you have to pay for that, right? Okay, so how you have to work on Canva? This is the URL. Just write down www.canva.com. I will show you here. So you will see this is the home page of Canva. Simply you can see, right? If you already have an account, then you have to click on login and write down your email address and password. But if you do not have account, so you have to click on sign up here. I will show you. It is again very easy. It will ask you want to sign up with Google, with Facebook, with email. So just click on email. That is easy for us. Write down your name, your email address and password. In this way you can create your account. I already have an account, so I'm going to click and log in. And here is my email address. Password, keep in mind password should be strong enough so other cannot detect easily, right? Okay, so when you will log in writing your email address and password, then you can see this type of a screen. This is the home page and this is the logo of Canva. Here is the template features, right? As I said, there are built-in templates. So when you will open here, social media, personal, business, marketing, education, trending, what you are going to make, you can pick your templates from here. This is the features, photo, icons, print products, app, and so on. If you want to learn more about Canva, so here are the tutorial blog, right, courses, and this is the price here. For Pro, you have to pay, right, Enterprise, but this is the free for us. If you will move on the right hand side, then you can see create a design, right? You can pick a design from here. This is the Instagram post and these I will show you, right? This is the arrow button. You can go ahead and see. If I scroll down, you can see these are the templates of poster. This is the Facebook post. Go down, presentations, logos, Instagram stories, and so on, right? But if it is difficult for you to find out a particular presentation or a particular logo, whatever, so you have to write down here. This is the magnifying glass, social graphics, YouTube thumbnail. This is also the, you can search from here as well. But if you will click on the create design, then you can see we have a logo, poster, presentation, videos. Here I'm just going to explain you, right? Moving forward, I will show you how to work on it. This is the YouTube thumbnail if you want to make YouTube channel art, right? And so on. So all features are here. Okay, here are all your designs, right? Shared with you or with your colleagues if you want to share. And suppose if we will pick this one, Facebook cover page, and we do not like, so you have to click on trash. It will delete from our system, right? So, and one more thing, when you will make your account, you have to go on your email and you have to confirm your account there, because this one is the setting, right? Account settings. When I will click here, I will show you what will happen. It will take few seconds and the screen will pop up here, right? Your account, what can best describe what you do, your language, whatever, right? So I hope that you will enjoy this course. Please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next lesson and thank you.